Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elena. We are visiting today our parents-in-law for dinner. We have a corned beef with some Syrah wine. And our parents-in-law live in a wonderful farmland. It's a mini farm. I'm not going to tell you the name yet because this farm is not quite ready for the visitors yet. But eventually I'll announce it on my YouTube channel so that you can visit us, say hi to the alpacas and talk to the horses. We also have some chickens here and a few kittens. You can also walk around. It's a very beautiful place and you can play with the kittens as well. So in today's video I'm going to show you how my mother-in-law is taking care of some of the animals.
Just, doing what I'm supposed to do, taking care of them. Making sure they're happy.
Yep.
And they give me in return.
Please stay with me till the end. It's going to be very interesting. Hi, baby. Are you back? In your stable? And here is Delia, the family dog. Yes, picking up the crumbs. Did you find something to chew on? You did? You are cute and messy. Indio will be so jealous. Yeah, he will smell you. And all the farming animals. Now the white beauty is here. Oh wow.
See, they're supposed to live in there at night. They, that's where we keep all the grain and hay, food. And so their job is to eat mice.
Mice? Wow. Of course she does. Oh. Guess who else loves carrots?
Oh.
Indio does. He would be dancing around if he was here. Oh. Oh no.
Gotta let me in. Back. 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 Back.
Oh, so you just leave it that way and then they just chew on it?
They get 10 pounds in the morning and 10 pounds in the evening each.
Wow, they eat a lot.
They're not very efficient animals.
Oh, right. Because you don't even ride them too much, right?
No. We did take care of their feet and I brushed them this morning. And so much.
Yep.
White one is Mary.
Uh-huh.
The one next to her is Athena, and she's the oldest and most worrier. She will alert.
Oh.
Mary is, she gets first dibs on food bowl.
Okay.
And the far one is Precious.
Oh, she's trying to come.
Well,
Oh.
sometimes I give them treats.
Oh, what kind of treats do you give them?
Horse treats, actually.
Oh, horse treats, okay.
They like apple chunks, they like lettuce leaves,
Uh-huh.
that sort of thing.
Oh, that's so cool. They are
Now
so
we-
adorable. Oh my gosh.
Well, you got one pooping there now.
Yeah.
So, well, no, we didn't do anything.
Oh,
So
that's so
Precious is the youngest.
So which one is Precious?
She's this light,
The white one. Yes.
not the white,
Okay.
the light brown one.
Oh, okay. The middle.
The middle
Stands in
one,
the middle.
yeah.
Okay. So cute. When did you get them?
In middle of November?
Oh, okay. So they have been here for a while.
Yeah. And they're gonna get sheared mid-May.
Okay.
And so we'll take all the fluff off. And then I'll see what I can do with that.
Cool.
May not come because they don't know you.
Oh, okay. I'll stay here then. It's food time for alpacas.
They're usually very timid
Uh-huh.
because they're a prey animal, meaning they don't trust anybody who's gonna hurt them.
Oh, okay. Mary.
Sometimes they want their treats. Their favorite is apples.
Oh, of course. Yay! Good girl.
It's the only one that will eat out of my hand.
Oh, that's nice.
That took a long time. Sorry.
Not interested. Uh-huh. It's boring. We are checking the chickens now. They're going to get their dried worms.
These two are the friendliest.
Nice! They are the first ones to come.
Be gentle.
Do they bite?
Well, they're poking me right now.
Oh no! They're poking each other too.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
That's
This
cute.
one, she will stop and let me pet her, and then I
Nice. So you're the most friendly one.
she's the most friendly one. They will follow me around the pasture.
Gosh, they're just like domestic animals. And then you're going to cook them at some point, right?
Yeah, no, all I want is their eggs right now.
Oh, okay.
That was my favorite. You kind of have to be quick.
Uh-huh.
I don't name them because I can't tell them apart.
Oh, yeah. Difficult.
These two are young. They have not started laying yet.
Oh.
They're supposed to give us brown eggs.
Wow. So how are the brown eggs different from the white eggs?
Well, those guys give green eggs and
Like these ones, yeah?
small-
Mhm.
Yeah, black chickens give green eggs, and they're a smaller egg. These guys will have brown eggs. Whoa, just throw the whole box.
You are not happy about something, huh?
That's how we talk to them. We go. And I always do a count. There's 4 black and 2 brown.
Uh-huh.
The black ones, they've been going on the other side of the fence.
Oh,
But they always come back.
nice.
So,
They must like it here. It's warm and cozy. Can you hear them in the morning?
no.
No?
But our windows are really thick.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes I can hear the frogs.
Oh, wow.
At night, but they are incredibly loud.
Wow. Like a true kiwi?
Yeah. And see, it makes an arch over there.
Oh, wow.
And continues on. And that
So
tree
when
right
are they
there-
blooming?
I don't know. I don't know.
Wow,
I
that's
know nothing
incredible.
of kiwis.
Okay, so on these planters.
They're gonna be vegetables, and we'll probably pull up this grass actually and put more raised beds.
Uh-huh.
So this area is gonna be all vegetables.
And
And
there
then
is
over
lavender.
there is going to be raspberries, blueberries, strawberries,
Cool.
and then along here we'll put the lavender plants.
Nice.
And so
That's
we'll
a
have
beautiful
lavender.
place.
I can make sachets with.
That's so cool. I'm amazed you have kiwis.
I know. I was like, I thought kiwis were in New Zealand,
Yeah, right.
but these might be a different one. I think they're smaller than what you'll see.
But still, they are edible, right?
Yeah.
That's so cool. I really love this tree, guys. Look at this tree. Isn't it amazing? Was it here when you bought the house? Yeah.
Yeah, it was. But I need more flowers. I want to get a lilac bush. I need some hydrangeas. The daffodils out front. Did you see those? Those just randomly
Just growing.
were growing. So I'm like, okay, I guess I'll make a flower garden there.
That's so cool.
Um,
I can hear the birds singing. This is what you have to wake up to every single day,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
To the birds singing.
and they come out like at dusk.
Mm-hmm.
The frogs are starting. They're that direction,
Oh. Okay.
but they're not loud yet.
Okay. So there is a pond somewhere.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's so cool. It's a beautiful place. Hello, babies. Hi. Are you saying hi to me now? Yes, you're so friendly. Yeah. Thank you, babies. So cute. I wish I had apples. I should ask to feed you. Yay! It's pretty pretty down here.